Enugu is a top choice city in Nigeria and arguably the most peaceful and secure city to live and raise a family. If you are looking to relocate to Enugu and planning on residing in one of the most affluent parts of the city, in this video I'll be sharing with you 5 places you should consider. Number 5. New Haven, Enugu. New Haven, Enugu is one of the most popular places in Enugu City and one of the most expensive suburbs of the city. Rent in this part of the city ranges from 600,000 naira to over 2 million naira, depending on location, for accommodation ranging from 2-bedroom to 4-bedroom flats. As one of the oldest suburbs of Enugu City, New Haven is one place in Enugu that has maintained its status as a top choice location in the city. If you are looking to relocate to Enugu and looking for an exclusive but not too expensive place to live in the city, New Haven is a place for you to consider. Number 4. Tinker's Corner, Enugu. Tinker's Corner, Enugu is one of the most sought after locations in Enugu City and one of the most rapidly growing suburbs of the city. It is home to the Gulf University and about 2 to 5 minutes drive from Akanibiam International Airport, Enugu. Rent in this part of the city ranges from 700,000 naira to 2 million naira, depending on location, and for accommodation ranging from 2-bedroom to 4-bedroom flats. If you are planning on relocating to Enugu City, this is one part of the city you should consider residing in. Number 3. Centenary City, Enugu. The Centenary City, Enugu is one of the top high-end locations of Enugu City and one of the most sought-after places to live in the city. This suburb of Enugu is home to the largest housing estate in Enugu, known as Enugu State Lifestyle and Gulf City. It is also home to a lot of pockets of estates. Rent in this part of the city ranges from 700,000 naira to 4 million naira for 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom bungalow, flat or duplex. If you are relocating to Enugu and wishing to stay in a very secluded part of the city, Centenary City is a place for you to reside. Number 2. GR Enugu. GR Enugu is one of the most exclusive and expensive suburbs of Enugu City. Residents of this part of the city are largely ex-government officials, ex-politicians, and top business moguls of old eastern region of Nigeria. Rent in this part of the city ranges from 800,000 to 5 million depending on location, for accommodation ranging from 2-bedroom to 5-bedroom flats or duplexes, while landed property runs into hundreds of millions in this part of the city. GRA has a number of distinguishing places like the Old Government Lodge, Central Bank, Enugu State Sports Club, Enugu State Golf Club, Polo Park Mall, Enugu State Secretariat, First Bank PLC, among many others. Number 1. Independence Layout. Independence Layout Enugu is known as a home for top government officials and recognized as Enugu's most exclusive and expensive suburb. One of the major highlights of this high-end location of the city is the presence of Enugu State Government House, popularly known as the Lion Building, and the headquarters of the 3M Zone. Independent Layout is arguably one of the most secure places to reside in Enugu. Land in this part of the city runs into hundreds of millions of naira, while rent ranges between 800,000 to 5 million, depending on the location, for 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and 4-bedroom flats or duplex. Notable landmarks and buildings in this part of the city include Court of Appeal, Federal High Court, Presidential Hotel, Enugu International Conference Center, Michael Opera Square, Unity Park, Spa, among many others. If you are planning on relocating to Enugu and looking for a secure high-end location to reside in the city, Independent Layout Enugu is a place for you. Do you currently live in Enugu or have lived in Enugu? Which of these suburbs of the city do you consider the most expensive or would recommend for someone to reside in? If you are planning on relocating to Enugu, which part of the city would you rather reside in? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video.